Welcome to Paul Wilmore's World of Wood. Now, I had these offcuts of worktop given to me, so I decided to make a table. Now, I could have just made a simple couple of legs and put it all together and made a square table, but I wanted to be different. So I decided to do about 14-inch round base and top, and then a column in the middle as the leg. So I decided to use the routers first of all to cut the circle, but it actually was going to take too long to actually cut through the whole worktop, so I decided to use jigsaw, as I was going to actually put it on the lathe anyway. So I put the base plate on, put it on the opposite side to what I'm actually used to working on the lathe with, and I am actually working in, as recording this, I'm actually working left-handed on while making this video, so it wasn't the easiest thing. Now with the lathe is second hand, and I tried at first to make it, and as you can see there's a big pip in the middle. Now I had to get some bits and make it the right height so the tool rest is in the middle of the actual center of the job. So as there's two, the first one I decided to make that the base, and the second one I actually managed to get flat. So as you can see there's a lot of material to get off here, but it is actually working out really nice that I can actually do something bigger than 12 inches on there. So this sander that goes into the drill is a real big help. Now I sanded to see the rub off, then I used Yorkshire grit on it. Yorkshire grit made it a lot better. Now I finished it with a wood wax 22 from Chestnut, and it just turned out really nice. Now as you can see the leg isn't the shortest leg in the world, and it was about 600 millimeters, so 2 foot long, and that's why I'm happy to have the lathe I've got. Now it's the first time I've actually turned anything with this size, and I didn't have any plans, so this is kind of, I've done this freestyle. I measured the center and I just made a little kind of decorative piece in the middle of the in the leg. Once I did that, I sanded it and then used Yorkshire grit on it again. Now Yorkshire grit, as I said, is fantastic, and it does make a big difference to when you actually finish it. You put the wax on afterwards and it shines up really nice. So now this is the end caps that connect the top and the leg together. Now I drilled the hole in the center and measured everything on the actual leg to make a tenon to go into the actual parts. Now this tenon goes into this hole, and the end caps are actually is actually quite more of a decorative thing, but because the actual top is only in 3/4 of an inch thick, it wouldn't actually take the tenon, so this is why I did the end caps. Now I put the leg in the end cap and merged the two together, so it actually blended together quite well, and then I glued that into place and sanded it, and again just put Yorkshire grit on it, and then I waxed it as a finish. So I used a 5-minute epoxy to attach the end cap and leg to the top and bottom, because I had time restraints and I needed to get it finished, so it actually held up really nice. Now it does actually look really good, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And this worktop is solid oak, and it is really nice stuff to work with, and you can recycle it into different things, but I'm really happy with this. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give us a thumbs down, and I'll see you in the next project. Bye.
All you have to do